Obviously, people want to know how much do they cost. As you can see, there is much more craftsmanship, there is more work in these tables, and they are, from my point of view, they will last you much longer than the old tables. Right now, for the situation we have with deglobalization, with COVID, and with the war in Ukraine, and with expansion of the money printing of the central banks, we can't really quote a price, because the prices for the raw material is changing almost on a weekly basis. So if you want to know the price, you have to ask us, and we can then give you a quote for how much they cost. The sole table and then the accessories, we can then give you a precise price.